What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So in this video, we're going to go through my interest earned assets. I think it's important for me to display exactly how much I earned in interest with all of my APY positions. Anything that I'm gaining, whether a large APY or a small APY, it makes sense to go through a lot of this detail. So before we get started, make sure you guys hit that like button. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one, and make sure you check out some of the links down below. I have my Profit Apparel store. If you guys want the Profit Apparel shirt, feel free to get one. It's a very clean look. We have a lot of designs. Feel free to, check that out. And hopefully, you like it. If you don't, let me know and we can change up some things. I like this design, but we can always add some more designs on as well. Also, I noticed more than 60% of you are not subscribed that watch my content. If you're watching the videos and, I have a bunch of return viewers, hit that subscribe button. It doesn't hurt you. It's free, and then it's also free to unsubscribe. But anyways, let's go ahead and dive into my interest earned assets and see how much I gained over the last year. Now, remember, I haven't been actually invested in a lot of these positions for the whole year. It was around 5 months that I've been invested in a lot of these positions. I didn't make a move in crypto until about July. And these are the first ones that I actually bought and I actually added to the position. So it took a while to get to these points. And you saw the crypto market come down. So currently, with my interest earned assets in Coinbase, I have $7,282. I grew that from a level to where I invested $2,000. I did invest another $1,000 ish. And then I think I invested another 500. So total, it was around $3,500 to grow it to 7,200. I feel like that was definitely a good move, a good gain. It's still unrealized. None of it is realized because I'm still holding the position. So I'm not going to see that in my taxes, which is good. But currently I'm holding $3,700 worth of Algorand, which will give me 2,158 Algo coins at 173, or sorry, not 173, $1.73. It's up 8.44% today. I am holding $1,854 worth of Cosmos at $30, $1,076 of Tezos, and I'm holding $574 of Ethereum 2.0. Now, these are positions that I'm also holding that don't really give me interest, but that's just because they won't let me cash out everything from Coinbase. That's just how it rolls. I don't know. It's weird. But anyways, that's what I have there. And these are all the ones that are giving me interest. This one, this one, this one, and this one. Now let's go over to the interest earned tab over here. Where we're going to see is how much interest I actually earned. I earned $83.24 from Coinbase over the last, I've only been holding this, I would say for about 4 months, because I bought Algo early. I didn't actually stake it, but I started staking it, I think about 2 months in. And then I started buying up everything else. So really everything came after the fact. But currently with Ethereum 2.0, I gained $3.60. With Tezos, I gained $10. With Algorand, I gained $39.65. I am holding the most there, and I've gained the most out of that. Cosmos, I've gained $29 and 71 cents, which is about one Cosmos coin. So you can see how much I actually gained. It adjusts with time. So how much I'm holding, it adjusts. I do get paid out by the day with some of them, like Algo will pay me 40 cents and, per day. Tezos will pay me like per week. Cosmos will pay me per like week or 2 weeks or something. But everything looks good. I'm getting an average return of 4.39%, and I'm waiting for them to add some more coins on here that I can stake and gain interest from. So that's my Coinbase account. That's really good. I'm really excited about what is there. I also wanted to go into my Wonderland account. Wonderland is a position that I decided to stake for 365 days, and I'm doing a full update over on my MP Shorts channel. And I'm currently holding 0.336443 memory, which is tied to the price of time, which is $3,632. And you're going to see that my investment right now is at $1,222.03. And if I type that into my formula here, I am up $372 in the last 15 days that I've been holding it. So I'm up a pretty significant amount. I'm really excited about where this is going. $372. So that kind of adds to that $83 that we did see, or $82 that we did see. Um, and I'm looking to stake that and continue to hold that for a long period of time. That's not something that I'm letting go, and it's something that I'm just going to continue to hold. Now, the last position that we have here is Jade Protocol. Now, Jade Protocol, I actually have 14.22. I don't want to go in there because I know that I would have to log into my wallet and all that stuff. I have 14.22, which I'm not getting any reward currently because they did stop the reward and they're going to be doing like a reset, and I want to see what that reward is before I decide to get out. The Jade's price is at $18.74. I hold again 14.22 Jade, and my current price is at or current balance is at $266.48. Um, and just looking at that, I'm down about $287 since I invested. The price of Jade actually came down from when I invested from $50 all the way down to $18. And for me, it wasn't really the price of Jade. It was more about how much Jade you're holding. So I'm looking at the future value of where that can go as I'm gaining Jade, and I'm hoping that I can gain the same amount, because the whole reason that I reinvested into it was so that I can gain a consistent amount of Jade no matter what that Jade price is, right? If I'm holding 14,000 Jade by the end of this in 365 days, even if it's to $1, I still gain $14,000. So that makes sense. And I was really happy with how much Jade I was gaining, because I went from 13 to 14 to over 14. So still excited to see what's happening there, but I am down on that position. So if I actually add everything up and take the gain that I had from Coinbase, the gain that I had from Wonderland, and the loss that I had from Jade Protocol, I'm currently at plus $168.26, which is not amazing. I really just started doing all of this, but it is fantastic to gain any type of free money. I feel like if I take my overall balance that I have and, just do a calculation to get what that percentage is, I feel like it would be an okay percentage. It wouldn't be amazing. I would love for it to be way higher, but I'm excited to see what the future will bring with a lot of these positions. And also, if you guys want to follow Time Wonderland and my Jade Protocol updates, go over to my MP Shorts channel, which I will try to link in the description, or in the cards above. So definitely check that out. And maybe we'll get to a point to where we're at, tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands or even $1 million at some of these points. You never really know. Anything could happen with cryptocurrency. So that's my APY positions. Those are all the ones that I'm holding. I am going to plan to hold more in 2022. That's something that I am focused on doing, is buying more, positions that will give me interest or earn me interest. But right now, I'm only holding these, and I know I can go through some of the wallets that I have, but I didn't decide to do that. I want to stake things kind of in the same area, or in like an area to where I would gain a very, very high APY, which I'm looking into. So, anyways, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think about these. Is $168 good, or do you think that it's bad? I mean, I'm still positive. I feel like that's a plus, but I could be gaining, a lot more with some of these positions. And if I was holding on to all of this balance for a full year for Coinbase Pro, Coinbase, I would probably have a lot more in just Coinbase, and then obviously all of the other positions would factor in as well. So, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. I'm gonna get out of here. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next.